everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 765 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another Dollar Tree makeup product to try out. So this is the Palmer'S Coconut Oil Lip Balm. Paraben free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, gluten free, no dyes, 24-hour moisture. Vitamin E, raw coconut oil, and it has SPF 15. So I know this isn't my most glamorous product that I'm trying out, but there seems to be interest in seeing reviews on dollar store lip balms. I've gotten requests to review other dollar store lip balms, so whenever I go to the dollar store and they have lip balms that I haven't tried yet, I'll pick them up. So I do have a few more to try out from when I went to the dollar store last time. And I mean, I would be interested in seeing a review on the lip balm. So therefore I'm interested in making one today. This is not tested on animals. Wow, I'm actually not that familiar with the Palmer's brand, but it really sounds great. Family owned and operated, ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients. Made in the USA. So that's really great. And this is an interesting shape for lip balm. It's kind of like squished, like flattened out. But that's fine. Doesn't really make a difference to me. I mean, I guess we'll see. It's weird when I apply it, but this smells so good. From that coconut oil, it seriously smells so tropical. It reminds me of a pina colada. Which I love that this has the SPF 15 because it's easy to forget putting sunscreen on your lips, but when you have it built right into your lip balm, that's perfect. So this is definitely a product that I would want to make sure to keep in my beach bags. But really, I would use it any day because I wear sunscreen every single day. Even the days when I'm literally just sitting in an office all day long, I still make sure to put my sunscreen on every day. So I think that wearing an SPF lip balm every day is also important. So my lips, of course, need moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. I just love the scent. I wasn't even really thinking that this would smell amazing, but it seriously is like one of my favorite lip balm scents. So tropical. Ooh, and that is extremely hydrating immediately. It immediately got rid of all the dryness on my lips. Wow, nice. I will say I'm getting a little bit of a weird taste to it. Like I can kind of taste a strong fragrance in my mouth that I don't love. Yeah, the taste that I'm getting, it's not even like I'm trying to lick it or anything, but the taste that it's giving me in my mouth, I'm not liking. It was kind of like an aftertaste where I put it on at first and I was like, ooh, this is great, love the smell. And now it really tastes like I'm eating perfume or something. Ugh. Which that is a bummer because I loved the smell of it. But that's like I don't think I've ever really been deterred by the taste that a product creates in my mouth when I'm wearing it. This is like a weird experience and a first for me, but I'm finding it very unappealing. Like it makes me actually not really want to use this, which is a bummer because I really like how it feels on my lips. I like how it looks. I like how hydrating it is. But gosh, if you have tried this out and you know what I'm talking about with this kind of fragrant taste, I know that sounds so strange. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree. That is so weird. Maybe it's from the sunscreen. Like the sunscreen in it is giving me a weird taste. I don't know, but I'm honestly not a fan of it. I thought this was going to be such a quick easy, successful makeup review and a product that I would be able to use up and just keep repurchasing at the Dollar Tree. I mean, it's only $1 and it has SPF and all these great ingredients and benefits to it. But really, like, immediately I'm like, no, I don't like this. I'm really surprised, pretty bummed, but oh well, at least I only spent $1 on it. But oh well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Hopefully tomorrow's product will be more successful than today's product, but that's why I like doing this series, because it continues and it's a surprise of what I'm going to be trying out the next day, and you never really know what it's going to be or how it's going to be. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.